Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The title of this video is that how you can use AI to create a fundraising pitch deck for the investor. So first of all, go to the ChatGPT and I will show you step-by-step guide for creating that kind of pitch deck for the investor. Let's do right here. Create fundraising pitch deck for investor for and after that you can write the name of your product or a product whatever is it like I say for my beauty cream product. You just need to give this command and it will create a fundraising pitch deck for investor for your product. Now I'll hit the enter button and it will start working on my command and it will create a professional 10 slide outline. Okay, and after that you can also customize as you want. So the first slide is going to be about our brand name, tagline, presented by, and contact. Okay, and this next in the next slide we will going to explain the problem of our like we are which problem we are people are facing and why we launched this product, and in the third slide we will give them a solution. In the fourth slide we will showcase our product and we will also add the marketing opportunity in the fifth slide, and we will also show them the business model, how we are working and how we are generating revenue in the sixth slide, and in the seventh slide we can provide them the traction and milestone. So that's all about how you can create a pitch deck for the investor with the help of this AI. So if you want to convert this into a PowerPoint, professional PowerPoint, you can then convert it like we can write it as just copy it and paste it here and it will generate a professional PowerPoint. I will also show you the generated PowerPoint as well. So that's before I generate the pop, I need a few details to personalize it for you. Once you share, I will generate you give you a. So we are going to need these details so that it can create a PowerPoint file for us. So let's give them the details. So finally we have given them all the details and now it has generated a professional PowerPoint. Let's download it and let's check it out. So this is our PowerPoint professional presentation for the investor pitch deck, and it's very simple. You can see you can also add the images. If you want to add image, you can give prompt to the AI and it will automatically add those images into the professional PowerPoint. Okay, so that's all about how you can use this for creating eye-catching fundraising pitch deck presentation for your product. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.